poppin', my Indy Fam? It's your girl, India, and y'all, I am back today. I'm going to be doing the nature food cereal that you seen Lizzo do on TikTok. So yeah, I'm going to try it on YouTube for you guys. So here we go. Fridge. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff in here. But I bought it from Walmart. And it better be good, because your girl spent $20 on just this foolishness. Nah, it ain't foolishness. I hope it give me energy. So I got the strawberries, blueberries. Y'all don't even eat pomegranate, but I'm going to try it. Pomegranate. I never had pomegranate, I don't think. But I'm going to try it. And coconut water. Okay. So and y'all, I actually did a little video, which and you just seen that. But I have a before and after, y'all. I really was sluggish. I just got out of the shower. I'm still feeling kind of sluggish. So we're going to see if this cereal gives me the energy that I need. So let's get into it. So I got my blueberries. Y'all, I hope I don't drop my strawberries. I got my strawberries. And y'all, I never had pomegranate before, but... So I got my blueberries. Ooh, can I reseal these? I'm about to put some foil on them. I never had these before. It said resealable lid. I don't know how they figure. But okay. But anyway. I have my pomegranate. I think that's enough because I never had it. Have my pomegranate. Y'all, I'm making a TikTok in the process of doing all this, so. Got my coconut water. Have my pomegranate. Oh, I might need some help. I got it. Oh, I never had this either. Pomegranate. And add that coconut water. Y'all, I never had this either. I think that's enough. Get my spoon. And I might... Okay, so I stirred it together. Okay, y'all, so we finna get into it. Okay, I'm a little nervous, but it'll be all right. Because I like blueberries, strawberries. Y'all know I'm trying to get out of doing this, but here we go. I'm nervous. Y'all, this is actually good. This is good. It's refreshing too. For real. No lie. It's good. Y'all try it. It's really good. Like you get the strawberry, the blueberry. I never had pomegranate. It don't really have a funny taste or anything. It's good. So I'm about to get into it. Okay. So let's get husband to try it. It's good.
Yeah, it's bad.
But y'all, we finna turn this into a little mukbang because your girl need this energy, honey. Let's get a thumbnail, baby. I'm nervous. I need to get my finger out the cut. Okay, y'all, I had to make the thumbnail look like I ain't like it. Oh. Y'all, I need to go get my tripod from my sister's house for real. I think the strawberries will make it really good.
It's good. Y'all try it. It's really good. Like you get the strawberry, the blueberry. I never had pomegranate. It don't really have a funny taste or anything. It's good.
Now, I'm going to tell y'all if it made me have energy, okay? Mm-hmm.
I'm nervous.
And I'm going to tell y'all this. I need to get some of that. I started to buy some yesterday. You know that fruit cleaner? Because I feel like I could still feel like the stuff on my berries. I'm get me some of that. But y'all, I never had pomegranate before, and I can't believe it's good. West good. So we got some little cereal mukbang or whatever.
For real. No lie. It's good. Y'all try it. It's really good. Like you get the strawberry.
Y'all, I forgot this was playing.
I never had pomegranate. It don't really have a funny taste or anything.
Because y'all know I had to get the TikTok and the YouTube video all in one, okay? And I never knew pomegranate had so many seeds in it. Or so, like, crisp, crunchy. But it's good. I'm really trying to see if it's going to give me this energy. Okay? I would tell you the only thing I don't like about the pomegranate is the little stuff in the inside, the seed. But it's good, but that's in my teeth. Y'all, let's see if my baby like it. Duty, come here. Want to try it? Because he like blueberries and strawberries. But he never had pomegranate either. Want to try it? I ain't going to give him pomegranate. It got too many little seeds in it. Okay, I'm just giving him a strawberry because I'm scared to get on a blueberry. Even though he eat them, but... It's good. Want blueberry? Oh, that one kind of open. Want blueberry? Blueberry? He don't want it for real. He usually get blueberries from Chick-fil-A. Like car Chick-fil-A. Probably room. Want some more?
No, these are babies. No, these are.
Strawberry?
Yeah, baby. No, the baby.
I'm not taking it off my spoon. I'm finna go have to cut him up some strawberries because, baby, you're not finna eat mine. It's so fresh, like,
Go to the park today, dude.
it's really refreshing.
I will go. Yeah, back.
Yeah, go to the park.
Yeah, back.
I was trying to sneak me another thumbnail, but I'm trying to make sure I can see. Ugh, my face is broken out because I put that makeup on. Hmm?
No.
You wanna go get a chair? It's up. Come on. Yeah, excuse my baby here. Like mommy, like son. Who daddy? What?
Daddy,
What?
Daddy,
Hmm?
Daddy.
I'm gonna have to try to make me a smoothie out of this.
But Daddy.
You want just strawberries. I ain't gonna eat all my strawberries.
Daddy.
And I was trying to figure out, was it the pomegranate? It is the pomegranate that got the little seeds in it. Why are you doing that? You want blueberry?
No. No. Get right up. No, get right.
We need some more strawberries because you eating all mine. It's good.
Daddy.
That's my strawberry.
No, mine.
Watch out. He just gonna get the strawberry off. Ew! I got fruit stuck in my teeth. I'm gonna eat the last strawberry. Ew, don't put that back in my cereal. That's nasty.
Get back.
You don't do that.
That's Daddy.
That's not strawberry.
Oh.
You still can't put it back in my bowl.
Oh, what that? No, that.
Mommy strawberry.
Oh, right. No, get that. Don't relax. Don't bring up fun.
What? Want some coconut water?
No. No.
Want a blueberry?
No. I'll be right.
Mmm. Pomegranate? No? Yes? Eat your blueberry. Chew it. Nom 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 nom. It pop?
Yeah.
You gonna spit it out? Ew.
Want
You don't want it? Y'all, and the crazy part is he eats
No.
blueberries all the time at Chick-fil-A.
Don't take a baby.
I never understand.
No,
I don't have any more strawberries. You have to get Daddy to cut you some strawberries.
Oh, what that? What that? What that?
Hmm.
That.
Hmm.
What that?
Open mouth.
What that?
Pomegranate.
Oh, what that?
Pomegranate.
No.
Don't stick your finger in my stuff.
No, that's a baby.
Hmm.
That's a water.
Yo, my baby is a funny little boy.
No.
Okay, no. Don't stick your hand in my stuff.
That's a baby.
It's real sweet.
That's fine.
But anyway, y'all, stop. I really don't like the fact that the pomegranate got all these seeds and it gets stuck in my teeth. But anyway, y'all, that is the end of this video. I feel like everyone should try this for themselves. This is actually really good. I never had coconut water. I never had pomegranate. I was like, ew, pomegranate, no, you know. But putting it all together, and it is good. It actually is good. It has its own natural sweetness. So, we're going to see if it give me some energy. I'm going to let y'all know, okay? Even if it's a little 60 seconds, sure, I'm going to let y'all know that if it gave me energy. All right? Say thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to your girl. Hit that post notification bell if you know, so you can be notified the next time that I post a video. Like this video, share this video, and guess what, baby? Tell them we out. Tell them. Say we out. Say we out. Y'all now he want to act like he hurt. Bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Say we out.